Good morning, everyone. So, enjoyed your weekend? We are back to study. Today, we will do adjectives. Before the holidays, we had done adjectives, and I hope you had understood very nicely. So, just let's revise today, and it should be very clear to you all. Answers I'm sending in the worksheet. Answers are there in the worksheet. Here you need to revise with me. So, what are adjectives? Adjectives are describing words for nouns. They can describe you, they can describe me, they can describe your mother, they can describe my mother, they can describe your house, they can describe my house, and they add a quality to noun. They tell some information about noun. It can be about the shape of the noun, the size of the noun, the color or age of the noun, the number or quantity of the noun, taste or how it feels, or position or possession even of the nouns, like who possesses that noun. Okay, so that is called an adjective. Like if you're a boy, it can be a tall boy or a short boy, a fat boy or a thin boy. If you're a girl, it can be an intelligent girl or a talkative girl or a quiet girl or a pretty girl or a charming girl. If it's your house, it can be the first house in the lane. It can be the second house. If it's a bench, it can be the last bench in your class or the first bench or the small bench or the big bench. If it's about your bag, it can be your bag, it can be my bag. It's like blue bag or red bag, anything. Now, there are two words, what and which. What and which are interrogative adjectives. That means they are used to ask questions. But there are other words also which are used to ask questions. So, do you think every word is an adjective? No. Only those question words are adjectives for which the answer is some noun. The answer to that which or what will be if it is a noun, then only it will be an interrogative adjective. Like if I say, what color is your car? And you say, my car is red in color. So, red car is your adjective. So, what is your interrogative adjective? Which brand is your TV? If you say, my TV is Sony, or my TV, I have a LG TV. So, LG is your brand. It's describing your TV. So, which word is used for asking? For which the answer is a noun, so it is an interrogative adjective. I hope it is clear. You just have to see the answer, what answer you are getting. Whether that answer is a noun or no. That will decide which and what are your interrogative adjectives. So, this is the way we use interrogative adjectives. Now, one thing which we had not done earlier is how we use adjectives. We can use adjectives in two ways. Adjectives are used in two ways. First is attributive use. It qualifies the noun directly and is usually used just before the noun. Like I said, tall boy, short girl, thin mummy, fat papa. So they are used just before the noun, so they are called attributive adjectives. It is called attributive use of adjective. Predicative use is I use noun somewhere, but I give its quality somewhere else. I describe that noun somewhere in the sentence, just not before the noun, but usually you will find it after the noun. It qualifies the noun indirectly, like you have to find out. And usually it is after the noun in the sentence. Like attributive use, you can say red car or big room, like red is just before the word car and big is just before the word room. So it is directly before the noun, direct use of adjective, attributive use there. But if I say the car is red or the room is big, so I'm mentioning car in the sentence, but I'm mentioning its color, its adjective after it. Somewhere else in the sentence, it is red. Room is noun, and which word is describing it? Big. But it is being used somewhere else, not before the noun. So this is called predicative use. You just make two sentences, use an adjective there, and try to see whether you have used it directly or indirectly. Clear? Whatever doubts you have, you can ask in your online class. Answers in the worksheet. Do them, solve them, understand them. Okay? Bye.